I don't know. Still pretty magnetized to me. Let's try it again. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna attempt to demagnetize my Breitling Super Ocean 2. I noticed that it started running about 23 seconds per day quick lately, when it used to run spot on. I don't know what the cause of this was. I'm thinking it might be the Tesla or something at work. It's the only two things that have changed lately. Anyway, when I run it past a magnet, this is when you can see that it is magnetized. There we go. As soon as I get it close, it affects which direction north is without even touching it. So I have this relatively inexpensive demagnetizer from Amazon. And what I'm going to do is place the watch directly on here. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. And then slowly remove the watch upward. And hopefully that was it. Let's give it a test. I don't know. Still pretty magnetized to me. Let's try it again. Put the lime in the coconut and push the button. Let's try it again. Oh man. One last try before I return this demagnetizer. Push and hold. And slowly pull away. I'm not sure it got any better, honestly. I'll try this way. Nope. Maybe this way. Ah, was that the trick? Okay, now that I got the watch nice and wound, I'm gonna put it on my watch accuracy meter app. That's for Android. I'm not sure if they have it on Apple as well. Basically, you go in the options of this app and you input the beats per hour of the watch that you're trying to measure. So in this case, 28,800 BPH. And you set the watch on there and it uses a microphone to detect the movement of the watch. It seems to work pretty well actually. Before it was marking about 26 seconds per day, and then my atomic timekeeping app was reading about 23 seconds a day, and now it's showing plus 2 seconds a day, so I might have accidentally fixed it. I'm sorry for the light that's causing a glare on the screen, but basically the chart is going to show a pattern, a line pattern of a bunch of dots, and you'll line that up with the center at the bottom. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it calculates what your plus or minus seconds per day will be based on the average beats that it did in the time frame that it measured. So now I'm going to synchronize the watch to my trusty atomic clock and watch accuracy tool app. Again, this is for Android, and I've checked for iPhone and they didn't have it at the time that I checked. Hopefully they get it one day, because this is the best app for keeping track of your watches, at least in my opinion. You set your watch to 1 minute before the next one, and I have the second hand stopped at the 12. And when the app hits at the 12, I'm going to start my watch, and now both the app and my watch are synced. Now if you pay for the premium features, you could add multiple watches, which I did, and it lets you take measurements in series over the course of time. So today this will be the baseline measurement. I hit record time at the time that I see on my watch. I input it and it'll make a little graph for you. So at the time of recording, it's been 10 days since I demagnetized the watch. So I'm going to upload screenshots of the atomic timekeeping app, showing that now I'm getting about 2.8 seconds a day quick, which is more what I was used to.